Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to study about interior of a set, and along with we discuss about exterior and boundary of a set. Okay, first we define interior of a set. Definition: let x comma t be a topological space and A be a subset of X, so A may be any subset of X, then the interior of A is denoted by A interior, or it is also denoted by interior of A, and is defined by A interior is equals to union of G, where G is open set and it is subset of A. Okay, so it means that A is subset of any topological space x comma t. Okay, so that is, if A is subset of X, then interior of A is denoted by A interior and interior of A, and is defined by union of all those subsets. Okay, so union of all those subsets of G which are open set. So open set means they belongs to T. So we collect all the open sets which are subsets of this A, or we can say that which are contained in A. Subset is means that which are contained in A. Okay, we can call it as subset of this A, or we can call them as which are contained in A, right? So that means it is the union of all those elements, union of all those open sets which are subset of A. It's very simple. A interior is the union of all the open sets which are contained in A, or which are subset of A. Okay, so clearly we can say that A interior is the open set contained in A. Okay, so subset means it is contained in A. So that is, we can say that A interior is subset of A, because A interior is the union of all those open sets which are subset of A, means so we can easily say that A interior is subset of A. Okay, now we consider an example. With an example you will understand easily. Okay. Let x is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and T is a topological space. T is equals to, it is given by 5 x 1 2 1 comma 2 1 comma 4 comma 5 and 1 2 4 5. So this is a given topological space. Okay, so x is given by 1 2 3 and T topology is given by this one, and here given that first question is that if A is equals to 1 2 3 is a subset of X, then find A interior. Okay, so here given that a subset A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, which is a subset of this X, then find A interior. So here we need to find the A interior. So similarly, one more question is given. If B is equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5, then find B interior, okay, which is a subset of X. So similarly we have one more subset. If C is equals to 1 2 4 5 is a subset of X, then find C interior. Okay, so here three subsets are given, we need to find their interiors. Okay, so solve one by one. Okay, solution. First we write all the open sets, because to find the interior we need open sets. Open sets are nothing but which belongs to this topology. Okay, open set means itself that the subsets of X which belongs to the topology. Okay, so here all the subsets are open sets are, first we write the open sets are 5x 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 1 4 5 and 1 2 4 5. Okay, so we need all the open sets, and you can consider this as T also. Okay, and we write X, and X is given by 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can skip this one. Now we find A interior. Okay, so first one, now we find one by one. First one, for A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, which is subset of X. So see here, from the definition we have learned that A interior is the collection of all those, that is union of all those open sets which are contained in A. So which are contained in A means which are subset of A. Now we collect or we observe all the open sets which are subset of this set A, because we need to find the interior of A. Okay, so you can observe that now you find the subsets of this A which are open. Here we have written all the open sets. Okay, now we find whether we collect all the subsets of this A. Okay, so you can observe that 5 is the subset of all the subsets. Okay, first we write the open sets which are contained in A are, first one is null set, right? Second, X does not belong because X is not a subset of A. 1 is subset of this A because 1 belongs this A. Okay, and you can observe that this 2 also subset of this A, so therefore we write 2, and 1 comma 2 also subset of this A. But you can observe that 1 4 5 is not a subset, even this set also not a subset. So only we have these open sets which are subset of A. So contained means it is nothing but subset of A. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, now we take union of all these open sets, then we get the A interior. So almost it is similar to A closure. In the A closure we collect all the closed sets. Okay, here we collect all the open sets which are contained in A, but there we collect all the open sets. Okay, and there we find the intersection. Here we take the union. So therefore A interior is equals to union of all these open sets which are subset of A. So therefore 5 1 2 1 comma 2. So taking union of all this we get 1 comma 2. So therefore A interior is 1 comma 2. Okay, like that we find second one, that is B interior. So now B is given by, first we write B is equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5, which is subset of X. Okay, then we need to find the B interior. Okay, first we write all the open sets which are subset of this B, because we need to find the B interior. Then we take all the open sets which are subset of this B. So the open sets contained in B are first one obviously null set. Second one, you can observe that this one is not a subset of this 3 B. 2 is also not a subset. Even this one is not a subset. Here 1 4 5 is again not a subset, and even this one is also not a subset. Okay, so only the open set which contained in B is null set, right? So therefore we write B interior is equals to null set, because union of null set is, again we get null set only. Okay, next come to the third one. The third subset is given by C is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5, which is subset of X. Then find C interior. Okay, for that you can observe that this C is itself is a open set, because here we have the open sets, so it belongs to the topology. Okay, so it is a open set. Here we need to find the its interior. Okay, solution, the open sets which contained in A are obviously first null set, second one 1 and 2 also, and even this 1 comma 2 also. Okay, 1 comma 2 and this okay, even we get this 1 comma 4 comma 5 and 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5. So here we get almost all the open sets except X. Okay, now we take the union of all these open sets which are subset of C. The C interior is equals to union of all these open sets 5 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5. So union of all these subsets is equals to, so taking union of all this we get 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5. So here you can observe that this is nothing but C. Now we got C interior is equals to C only. Okay, so next we have a property of the open sets, that is if C is open then we get not C. Okay, in generally if A is open then we get A is equals to A interior, or A interior is equals to A. So in the next session we will prove this one. Okay, so that means if we have a C is equals to open means it belongs to the topology, then its interior will be itself. Okay, like this you can find the interior of a any subset with in this by using this method. This will be very easy. Okay, next problem, you try this by yourself. Here X is given by A B C D E and topology is given by this one. So then you need to find the A is, if A is equals to A comma B is subset of X, then find A interior. Similarly B is equals to A C D E is subset of X, then find B interior, and C is equals to B C D E is subset of X, then find C interior. Okay, so you try this one by using by following the steps in the first problem. Okay, next we have exterior of a set, exterior of a set. Let x comma t be a topological space then and a be any subset of x, then the exterior of a is denoted by exterior of a and is defined by exterior of a is equals to x minus a interior. Okay, so see here exterior is nothing but if you consider a topological space x comma t and a be a subset of x, then the exterior of a is denoted by exterior of a and is defined by, it's very simple, x minus a interior. Okay, that is if you take the complement of a then find its interior, you will get the exterior. Okay, so clearly we can say that is exterior of a is set of, so a is set of all the points, interior to complement of a. So it is interior of a complement, right? So exterior is nothing but interior of a complement. X minus a means x minus a is nothing but it is a complement. Okay, if you take interior of this a complement, that is x minus a interior, so that will be a interior, sorry, a exterior. So exterior of a. Okay, so interior and exterior both are interrelated. Next we consider an example. If x is equals to x comma y comma z and t be a topological space and a is given by x comma y is a subset of x, then find exterior of a. Okay, so first we write all the open sets. Okay, so open sets are phi x and z and x comma z. These are the open sets. Now to find a, so here given a is equals to x comma y is a subset of x. Okay, we need to find the exterior of a. For before that we need exterior of a, means it is defined by exterior of a is defined by x minus a interior. Okay, so that is interior of x minus a. So that first we need complement of this a. So x minus a nothing but it is a complement of a. So here first we write the set x. X is given by x comma y comma z. So therefore to find exterior of a, first we need x minus a. Okay, so therefore first we find, so here we write, we know that exterior this one, therefore x minus a is equals to, first we find this x minus a. Okay, so x minus a is equals to set x is x comma y comma z minus a is x comma y, which is equals to, we get z. Now we find its interior. Okay, so that is, therefore to find exterior of a is equals to x minus a interior, which is equals to this set interior. Okay, so z in this subset z interior is, so that is we need to find the open sets which are subset to this z, that is which are contained in this set z. Okay, so here now we won't consider this a because this is exterior. Okay, for exterior we need to take x minus a, then we find its interior. Okay, now we consider this set, we find its interior. The open sets which contained in this set z are, first we get null set and the another set is this z. Okay, that's it. Now we take union of this, that is exterior of a is equals to interior of this z, which is equals to union of phi comma z, which is given by z. Okay, so therefore now we got exterior of this a is equals to z. Got this one? It's very simple. Before going to find exterior, first we need to calculate this x minus a. So we have to find this one. Okay, so sorry, x not exterior, complement of this a, that is x minus a. First we find x minus a, then we take its interior. So that is exterior is equals to given by x minus a interior, right? Now we have one more definition, frontier, or it is also called as boundary of a set. All these definitions are very important. Okay, definition: let x comma t be a topological space and a be any subset of x, then frontier of a set A is denoted by frontier of A, or it is also denoted by boundary of A and is defined by frontier of A is equals to A closure intersection x minus A closure. So this frontier is related to closure of a set, but exterior is related to interior. Okay, so here frontier of a set is nothing but it is the intersection of A closure and x minus A closure. X minus A means complement of A closure. Okay, so that is frontier of A is the set of all points closer to A and x minus A. It is the set of all those points which are closer to this A and x minus A. Okay, we have a note here. Note 1, frontier of x minus A is equals to, so x minus A means the frontier of A is nothing but A closure intersection x minus A closure. So similarly frontier of x minus A is x minus A closure intersection its complement. X minus A complement is nothing but we get A, because complement of complement is A only. A complement of A complement is equals to A only. So therefore its complement is we get A closure only. So therefore it is nothing but frontier of A. Therefore remember that frontier of x minus a is always equals to frontier of a. X minus a means it is complement of a. So that is frontier of a complement E is equals to frontier of A. Second note, A interior, exterior of A and frontier of A, they all are disjoint sets. Okay, so they all are different. Okay, disjoint set means they all are different. They don't have any common element. Okay, their intersection will be null set. So now we take one example of this one. You can take this same example. Okay, so if x is equals to this one and a is equals to x comma y, then we find instead of exterior, along with this exterior we write one more. Second, find frontier of this a. So with this example only we solve the or we find frontier of a. Okay, so frontier is different and exterior is different. Exterior is related to interior of a point, but frontier is related to the closure of a set. Okay, so here but what is the difference between closure and interior means, here a closure we consider intersection of closed sets, okay, which are superset of a. So that is a is subset of that closed set. Okay, it is the collection of all closed sets, okay, such that this a is subset of this k, that is this k or all the closed sets are supersets of this a. But in the interior it is dead opposite of this one, that is almost method is same, but here we take union. Okay, so we take all the open sets. Here G is open such that this G is subset of A. So here A is superset, here K is superset, right? So they are totally different. Okay, but method is same. Here we consider all the closed sets, collect all the closed sets, okay, such that K all those closed sets are superset of this A. But here we consider all the open sets and they must be subset of this A. So here A is the superset, here K is the superset. Okay, now we find frontier. So for that we need A closure first, then x minus A closure, right? Then we find the frontier. Okay, because frontier definition is we have it is the A closure, intersection of A closure and x minus A closure. Okay, for this you take this same question. I will just write here find frontier of A. You write once again this problem solution. So we know that frontier of, by the definition, frontier of A is nothing but A closure intersection x minus A closure. So here first we need to find A closure, then intersection of x minus A closure. Okay, we need to find this A closure and x minus A closure. Okay, first we find A closure. For that we need all the closed sets. Okay, so here, but for interior we need open sets. So first we write here closed sets are nothing but these are the complement of these open sets. Okay, so recall that, or you can go through the lecture video of the closed sets. Okay, so closed set is nothing but complement of all these open sets. Now we consider complement of all these open sets. Phi complement is x and x complement is phi. Complement means we take x minus of that set. X minus phi is x only, right? Now x minus complement of this x means this x minus this set x. Okay, if you remove an element x from this set x, we will get y comma z. and z complement is, so if you remove this z from this set x, we will get x comma y. Similarly, x minus z complement is, if you remove x and z, you will get simply y. So now these are the closed sets. Okay, these are the closed sets. Now we find a closure first. Now, so a is given by, given, first we write given a is equals to, so this a is given by x comma y. Okay, to find a closure, we take intersection of, okay, intersection of all the closed sets where k is closed, and it must be superset of this k. Okay, so therefore the closed set supersets of a are, so see here, now we check those we consider all those closed sets which are superset of this a, so that in which set this a is contained. You can observe that this xy is contained in this x. Okay, and because this x is a superset to all the subsets, and here null set we don't consider this one, so even this one also. So you can observe that this a is the subset of this x comma y. Okay, we take x comma y, so this is the superset of this a, and this is not a superset. Okay, this is a subset of a. Okay, here we are considering superset. Okay, now we consider intersection, now we consider intersection of these closed sets. Therefore a closure is intersection of this x and x comma y. So if you take the intersection, you will get a closure is equals to x comma y. So similarly we find x minus a closure. Okay, now this x minus a closure is, for that we find x minus a first. Okay, so x minus a closure, first we need x minus a, then we find its closure. Okay, so to find x minus a closure, first we need x minus a, we take x minus a. Okay, so x minus a is nothing but x, y and z, minus a means it is x comma, sorry, a is given by x comma y. So if you take its complement, you will get z. So we have x minus a is equals to z. Therefore x minus a closure is nothing but this set z closure. Okay, so now we check superset of all these z. Okay, the closed set, the closed set which are super set of this set z are, first obviously we get x. Now check the superset of this z. Okay, so it is nothing but first one is x, it doesn't contain z term, sorry, here we have closed set, so this contains z. Okay, we consider this one x, and that's it. Okay, x, and one more we have y comma z. So therefore x minus a closure is nothing but intersection of this set x and y comma z. So therefore we get, taking intersection, we get y, this is not an element, it is a set. Okay, so therefore we get y comma z. Now we got x minus a closure is y comma z. So therefore frontier of a is equals to a closure intersection x minus a closure. So you can give you can take this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Okay, so frontier of a is nothing but a closure. A closure we got from equation 1, it is x comma y. and intersection of x minus a closure is y comma z. So this is from 1 and 2. So therefore their intersection is y. Okay, so this is frontier of E. So like this, so frontier is a lengthy process because here we need to find a closure and x minus a closure, then we take the intersection of this one. Okay, you try this problem by yourself. Here x is given by a, b, c, d, e and t is given topology. Then if a is equals to a comma b comma c is subset of x, then find a interior, exterior of a and frontier of a. Okay, by using that is by the definition of interior, exterior and frontier, you can find the a interior, exterior of a and frontier of a easily. Okay.